Monday's crash is heightening awareness about the challenges first responders face when working such a tragic crash scene. June is National PTSD Awareness Month. Today we spoke with experts who say oftentimes first responders bury their emotions after dealing with tragedies. Reporter Alex McClune shows us what's being done to make sure those on scene in the Gretna get the support they need.
Officials with the Sarpy County Sheriff's Office say the crash that killed 4 Gretna teens and injured 1 was one of the worst accidents they've responded to in years.
Actually this morning, my wife left for work. I was making my breakfast and I was just a little overcome and had some tears leaking out because of my heart breaking.
Jeff Kaiser is the lead chaplain for the Sheriff's Office. He was at the scene of the crash, comforting families and first responders.
You think about those are destinies that are never going to happen. There's also a really heartbreaking statistic that a law enforcement officer will take their own life about every 17 hours.
Kaiser says that heartbreaking statistic can be attributed to post-traumatic stress disorder. The Department of Health and Human Services will soon meet with officials to talk about what they've encountered in their careers.
We talked to a psychiatrist at Nebraska Medicine who says it's critical for law enforcement officers to set aside time to talk about what they experience day to day.
A lot of the personnel working in these type of situations, like firefighters or policemen, have some hesitation to seek for help, but it's really important, to keep up with the high functioning level because, they're really required for the community.
Dr. Wong says suppressing symptoms can be devastating to their personal lives. Health and Human Services will meet with deputies later this week, and Chaplain Kaiser will be there along with a mental health professional.
So being able to provide a safe place, maybe get a little windshield time and say, okay, I'm in your office, and that's a time for them to be able to freely share stuff that they may be processing, whether it's on the job, home life, or whatever.
Reporting in Sarpy County, Alex McClune, 3 News Now.
Deputies and other officials involved in the Gretna crash have been notified about the debrief. A time and location haven't yet been chosen.